and welcome to Teen Tuesday with the Muskegon County Library. My name once again is Alyssa, and today we are going to be making ice cream in a bag because it is going to be warm soon, and I know I'm going to be wanting some cold sweet treats. I don't know about you, but I figured I could share this one that you can make from home. You will need 1 cup of half and half. This is half and half. You can also use whole milk, but whole milk will not be as creamy as half and half would be. You will also need 1 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You will also need a tablespoon of sugar and a bunch of ice. So 1/4 cup of salt. It is recommended to use rock salt, but any salt will work, so I'm using table salt. Then you will also need 1 large Ziploc bag. I'm using a gallon size right here. And you will need a smaller Ziploc bag. I'm using a quart size right here. Now let us begin. Okay, we're gonna start by adding the 1 cup of half and half into the small Ziploc bag. And then next, we are going to add the vanilla, which is going to be 1 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So there's 1 1/2. And then 1 tablespoon of sugar. So then it says that you're going to want to close and get as much air out of this as possible, but be careful not to spill it. And zip it real tight. And now we're going to get our larger bag and we're going to fill it about halfway with ice. Alright, so see how that's about half full of ice. And now we're going to put in 1/4 cup of salt. So when you add this, it's going to make the ice extra cold. And so the ice will help freeze our mixture. Now you want to make sure this is sealed really tight, because if it's not sealed tight, your salt is going to get in your sweet treat, and you don't want it to be like that and be super gross and not melt or not freeze properly. Oh, and before we close the bag, you want to add some more ice on top. Now that it's mostly full, you're going to zip this shut and you're going to want to mix it for about 6 minutes. And it is recommended to have either gloves on or oven mitts. I'm going to use my sweatshirt. So the science behind this is that salt lowers the melting temperature of ice. So it lets you shake the bag of ice long enough to get the ice cream to solidify. The more salt you add, the lower the melting temperature. So the colder the temperature, the icy solution around the ice cream, the faster the ice cream freezes. This is the same reason that we put salt on roads when it's cold and wet out, to keep the roads from freezing and getting icy. Pretty cool, huh? All right, now that it has been 6 minutes, you can test it out and see. See, now mine's pretty frozen. But before you open it, since we use salt, you might want to go rinse it off first. I'm going to go rinse it off. Make sure you use cold water so you don't melt your hard work. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.